welcome back to another vlog. I hope you have seen the last one because it turned out to be such a memorable and sweet one for me and my friends. So, and this vlog is also going to be an extra special one because it is going to be my birthday vlog. And I don't know whether it's gonna end up a long video or a short video, but I hope that it turns out to be a sweet one also. I want to show you my nails. I mean, this is the first time that I had long nails in my entire life, and I don't know how to function with them. And I'm just like being extra careful so that I don't poke my eye out or scratch myself because it already happened. And I could say with long nails, like my entire personality changed. I'm picking up things differently, doing things differently, and I'm like, they look so pretty. I mean, I want to show you like those up. But let's get into the chaos. So I'm gonna be wearing my 3 outfits and she's gonna rate them. So let's get started. Let's rate them. Ta-da!
Wow. So beautiful.
Outfit number 1. And then
And doing 7.5.
7.1.
Oh my god. Hello.
Hello. Wow, princessy.
Yeah, so beautiful. Oh my god.
I think this is the dress. And the rating.
10.
Friends. Collection చూడండి friends.
And the connection is
Wow. Pretty.
Adenti? Yeah.
చూడండి నా హెయిర్ స్టైల్ pretty. ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నాం మనం ప్రిన్సెస్ అక్షిత గారి రెడీ మేక్ ఓవర్. సో షీ వోర్ అ వెరీ వావ్ ఫేస్ కార్డ్, క్యూట్ ఐ లాషెస్, క్యూట్ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్.
One eternity later.
How girls good. Before and after photos తర్వాత అప్డేట్ చేస్తాం.
నీకు లొకేషన్ కి ఎట్లా వెళ్తున్నావు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఇట్లా ఉంటాం.
ఇంతే.
Hello everyone. So we just came out of like Nicoli and we had so much fun and we took a lot of photos.
Yeah.
And now we are
I
at
want to see.
yeah, like look at that. I would say it's a little less. I expected more Akshita,
Wait.
but her iPhone is out of storage, guys. So we have to like
Like 300 pics.
it's still less Akshita. I ran out of storage again and now we are at Bubble Tea Boba Holic for a drink and then we'll head home. So
Guys, now she'll do OOTD.
So I chose the third outfit and look at my thing, it was also pretty. And I got a matching ring, a gift from Akshita.
Yeah.
Matching. And I got this stacks and jewelry and a special thing that is she got me flowers and they're so pretty. Like, you know, this one is also Akshita's. Earrings, Akshita's. Thank you, Akshita. Hey, so I thought I would end this vlog with a note of gratitude. I mean, this has been the most awesome, best birthday ever. I've enjoyed it a lot. So, and I'm going to talk about how I spent my day. So, I actually have decided to like celebrate my birthday with my friends at their place. And my friend is actually supposed to like come and pick me up, but something came up and she couldn't. And she said to me, like, book a ride. I'm going to send you the location. You just come there. And I was like looking at the rides and I thought I went to Bangalore and Hyderabad in the summertime and I always like wanted to try this Rapido bike thing, but I'm always with my family, so I didn't get a chance to, you know, book that. But now I was like, okay, I'll try that. Is it even an outing if I don't do something crazy? So I did exactly that. And she was like calling me and asking, did the ride is confirmed or not? And I lied. I mean, I don't want to say that I'm booking a bike because she's gonna scream at me. No, you're not doing that. Take an auto. That is the safest thing. But I was like, it's mid-afternoon, like 1 o'clock. So I decided to like go with the bike option. And I don't know why, but 2 rides got cancelled and the third one was finally booked and he came to the location. And let me tell you, like he drove as if he was like trying to audition for the Fast and Furious film. I don't know why. My speedometer is never going above 40. And if I'm driving in local areas, 20. 30 is the max. I'm not at all adventurous on road. Why? I don't know. Maybe because all these road accident stories and everything. I'm like so careful with that. But he drove like a maniac. His skills, I mean, I am clutching for my dear life, praying that I reach the destination in one piece. That is all I'm wanting. So, and another part apart from this speed thing is that I am so scared to overtake. Like when there are two big trucks or like vehicles, buses or whatever maybe, I will like never try to overtake them or like go in between. The climate that day is so pretty, and I thought like it would rain, but it didn't. And another thing that I'm so bad at is navigating. I mean, even though you open me Google Maps, you set the location and everything, I suck at looking at it and like giving you the directions. That is why I'm so bad at navigation. I'm not a good driver and I'm not even a good passenger princess also. Just throw me in the backseat. I'm going to be a great third wheel. Like, that is like too much pressure. And I actually like made plans with three of my friends. So we'd be like four. I thought of going to a cute cafe and celebrating there. And I made plans 1 week prior. And there is another thing I absolutely hate. That is people canceling plans. Like, especially my friends. We would like, sit and build these sand castles, like we're gonna do that, we're gonna do this, and plan a whole itinerary, even though deep down I know that it's never gonna happen unless there is some divine intervention. It's absolutely not going to happen, but I never learned my lesson. I'm actually not blaming my friends or anything because I love them so much, and I know that it's because they just couldn't make it. That's why they will like drop it at the last minute. I'm the type of person, like 97% of the times, if I make some commitments or if I make a plan, I'm not dropping on it. I'm like, for me, making memories with like my family and friends and being with them on their special days, that just makes me happy. And that is like my priority over anything else. But it's okay. I mean, I'm not upset. It's like not mad at them, but it's just, I was like a little sad. That's it. But anyways, it ended up being me and just Akshita, but we had like lots and lots of fun. I mean, the outfitted, and I felt like a fine shit. I mean, the dress, 10 on 10. The jewelry, the accessories, heels, the bag, everything is like exactly how I envisioned, and I'm like so happy. And the pictures are also so amazing. And so make sure to follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be making so many posts. I want to talk about Akshita. I mean, she is like, of course, she's my closest friend. She is like the most down to earth, the most kindest and most reliable, most humble and down to earth person that I've ever seen. And I'm like so proud because I always like look up to her, and she would like never say no. I mean, not beyond her capabilities, but sometimes it's just like overwhelming. You can't help everybody. I mean, she's like, but she's never that type of person. Even when she couldn't help and so busy with her work, she would like tell you, she would like reach out to you and say that, she's busy and she's gonna talk to you later. And she bought me flowers, which I forgot to bring with me. I forgot it with her. But anyway, she's going to preserve them for me. I'm the first person she ever bought flowers to. So even more of a flex. Anyways, subscribe and please do share it with your friends. And I know that it's just only been 1 month since I started this channel, but even the little growth, a very big boost of encouragement. So please make sure to share it with your friends. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.